My name is James Dobson. I am Vice President here at Dobson Ortho Lab. We are one of the largest in the nation for producing tooth positioners, as well as like acrylic retainers, invisible retainers. We're offering a quality appliance, but also putting the customer's needs at the very forefront of every case that they send us. I knew going into this when we started the business that we wanted a Stratasys printer because they're very precise, accurate, and they're reliable. For us, it's great to have a larger print platform that you can just sort of set and forget. You hit start, walk away, and you have a full plate full of, 35 to 40 models is generally what we get on the plate. One of my favorite features is the use and the integration of GrabCAD software. GrabCAD just really makes things easier from a technician standpoint because it is so fast to be able to just drag in models, hit auto arrange, and have everything just get arranged on the platform. Generally, for me, a print job is going to be 5 minutes or less by the time I start it to the time I'm hitting print. We were using one of the J5 printers already. The XL platform, when we found out what was going to be available, that it seemed like a natural fit for us to be able to move into the next version of the J5 printer, which is also already been really good for us. The 4 kilogram cartridges that they come with, they're less expensive and it's less time swapping between cartridges because you can just leave them in there and they run so much longer. Working with Stratasys has always been great for us. We've had nothing but amazing customer service. I would totally recommend them to a colleague, lab, or anybody that is putting out enough models that it would really benefit their business or their practice.